Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Firstly, go into Play Store on both of them and download free app called Send Anywhere. I already did that on Nubia because it was taking a lot of time, so I can open it right away. And from the screen here, select I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do exactly the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Now select receive on Nubia smartphone and send on an Android. Then you need to click on all of those dots and choose send. This way you can select all of your files and transfer them later on. It will take a while though, so I will go with only one photo, only for example, like this one. Choose send and click on got it. Now you need to choose no thanks and close this window on Nubia, and as you can see, from here we have the connection ways. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, choosing while using the app and pointing our camera at the code, but we can also just input this key over here and choose receive to connect our smartphones. Now after a literally couple of seconds, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!